Are you a real estate agent drowning in deadlines, paperwork, and follow-up? Wondering how some top producers stay calm while you are buried under emails and compliance checklists? Spoiler alert. They are not superheroes, they are not special, they have hired TC. In this video, I am breaking down exactly why every agent needs a transaction coordinator. And most importantly, what you need to know before hiring one. If you're new to my channel, my name is Cecilia Peralta. I am a real estate agent in the state of Florida. I am a TC business owner. I am a mentor, course creator, and I'm your gal if you're looking to build efficiency and peace into your real estate business. So let's start with the basics, because not all the agents are crystal clear on this. A transaction coordinator manages your contracts from acceptance to closing. We are your behind the scenes project manager. We are a task manager and a compliance ally. We handle contract compliance, timelines, reminders, document reviews, in coordination with title, escrow, lenders, and clients. A good TC keeps your deals clean, compliant, and moving forward while you focus on clients and closings. Now, let's talk about the hidden cost of not having a TC. Let's talk numbers and let's talk time, because every transaction it's up about 15 to 20 hours of admin time. That's about 3 to 4 full days per deal that you could just be prospecting, following up, or showing houses. So think about it. How many more cold calls could you make with all that extra time and peace of mind, especially? We all know that increasing your lead gen brings more leads and more contracts, because it's a numbers game, right? And let's be honest, those time-sucking admin tasks, they are the ones most agents dread. Delays, missed signatures, angry lenders, those are the real hidden cost of DIYing your files. Have you ever lost sleep and worried sick about a missed deadline? Drop a comment below. Let me know. I bet you're not the only one. So how a TC helps you scale? Most agents hit a ceiling. You can close 2 to 3 deals a month before your brain melts. But with a TC, you free up space to take on 6, 8, even 10 plus deals a month. You serve more clients without sacrificing your sanity and weekends. You stop acting like an assistant and start operating as the CEO of your business. So a TC doesn't have to be taken as a cost. It's a multiplier. And talking about numbers, hiring a TC makes total sense financially. Why? Because you pay as you go. An employee is a huge commitment, but an independent TC typically charges per transaction. And here's a bonus. Most TCs won't charge you the full fee if a deal cancels. So it's a flexible, low-risk way to get high-level support when you need it the most. However, we know that not all the TCs are created equal. Before you hand over your files, here are some recommendations on what you should ask. First, are they experienced in your state and transaction type? What system do they use? Are they familiar with Dotloop, SkySlope, Open to Close, Command, whatever your brokerage use? How do they communicate with you and your clients? Do they charge per file, per hour, cancellation fee, no cancellation fee? Make sure you find out these details. Do they have a system in place to onboard you and your team? How do they report to you, to your team, and keep everyone updated? What other services do they offer, if any? Some TCs only offer contract to close services. Others include listing coordination, virtual assistant support, marketing, social media, photo staging, inbox management, CRM updates, you name it. These add-ons typically come with added cost, of course. So please don't assume that more services means better. It just means different business models. So choose what fits you best. And keep in mind that hiring a TC is not just offloading, it's partnering. Choose someone who helps you grow. Now, something super important that I always like to point out and remind the agents is delegation. In the book Traction by Gino Wickman, there is a phrase that sticks with me all the time. Let go of the vine. And it's about releasing control and trusting others so you can focus on what really matters, what you do best. So most serious TCs won't just take any client. We invite you to a discovery call, and that is not to make things harder, but to make things smarter. Not every TC offers the same services, and we are looking for a good fit, not just files. A great TC will interview you, will onboard you, will collect all the access, will understand your preferences and communication style, all to set you up for success. So trust the process. It's built for your benefit. I always said that you should think of it like hiring a teammate who's about to make your dream business actually sustainable. Another super important point that I believe you should be aware and have in consideration is negotiations. Your TC can do a lot, can manage deadlines, send reminders, coordinate everything. But there is one thing, one area we absolutely do not touch, and that is negotiations. So whether it's the price, credits, repairs, any other terms in general, those are your conversations to lead. You are the deal maker, the advisor, the hero your client trusts. So even if a TC is licensed, like me, I'm licensed in Florida, we stay out of negotiations. Why? Because it protects you, it protects us, and it keeps everything compliant. So when is the right time to hire a TC? Most agents wait too long, in my opinion. If you are missing deadlines, if your inbox gives you anxiety, if your weekends disappear into admin tasks, you are saying yes to clients but not to yourself, those are signs that you might need to start hiring a TC. A TC gives you your time, energy, and clarity back. Your business, your family, and your sanity will thank you. And if tech isn't your thing, or you just don't have time to explore new tools, partner with a TC who can take over that side for you. I build AI agents for some of my clients so they can respond to leads while they sleep. Want to try it yourself? Watch this video right here.